Hey there, my name is James. How are you doing today? I hope you've had a wonderful day so far, just like I have. Um, it's been a wonderful time. I am so grateful for all the likes, all the messages that I've received, all the subscriptions. Phenomenal. I mean, in less than a month, I've hit over 200 subscribers and so many viewings and co. And so I'm really grateful. Two things this does for me: one, it tells me that I'm sharing something that people really want to listen to, and two, you are listening and learning and growing, and so I'm grateful for that. Today I want to talk about some things that affected my self-esteem, my confidence, and my emotional well-being. Now, the reason why I want to talk about this is a lot of people are going through a lot of, a lot of people are going through depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, and imposter syndromes, self-sabotaging themselves. So many things happening right now. I mean, COVID didn't also really help, and the fact that a lot of people are losing their jobs, or it's not enough, or they don't feel fulfilled, or they don't feel like they're living a life of purpose or meaning. I've heard so many things. People reach out to me all the time to say, I don't know what to do anymore. I've done so many things. I feel empty. I feel unseen. I feel unappreciated. I feel undervalued. I mean, I've heard it all. Now, I know that a lot of times we have the same challenges. It might be in different, stages and phases and ages. However, we all suffer the same challenges at some point in our lives. And so I suffered exactly feeling unseen, feeling unappreciated, feeling unwanted, feeling undervalued, feeling like I wasn't living a life of purpose or mean. I've been through it all as well. I've been through those stages. Now, one of the things that robbed me of all, that made me or put me in this place, was comparison. I compared myself to everybody. And the three major sentences when you know you're comparing yourself is, I am not good enough. I'm not worthy enough. I'm not tall enough. That I am dash enough. I am not enough. Right? And you can fill in the blanks. I am not tall enough. I'm not whatever. But I am not enough. Right? One of the sentences that once you think of that, then you're comparing yourself to something, because you're not good enough with regards or with relations to, or with, it's like the law of relativity. A thinks, okay, I'm small until B shows up, and then B thinks that he's small or bigger than A until C shows up. So what are you not enough with comparison to what? That's one of the things that's robbed me of my joy. The second sentence is, it's not available to me. Do you ask yourself that question? Yes, that other person is fortunate. God has blessed that other person, but not me. Other people get there and have it. It's like when God was dishing out height or beauty or something, I wasn't there. So it's not available to me, and so I do not have it. And the third sentence is, I am different, and so I cannot connect. Have you said that to yourself before? Or have you heard other people say it? I'm different, I'm not enough, and it's not available to me. Those three sentences robbed me of completely of my joy and took away my well-being emotionally. Now, social media hasn't also helped us, has it? We are now on the streets of the whole world, where we're seeing different people post different things, and maybe sometimes you're even looking at your age mates, and they've done so many things in life, and you're saying, when would it be my turn? How come this person has it and I don't? That comparison. Our parents didn't help us either. Why can't you be like your sister? Why can't you be like your brother? Why can't you be like your cousin or your friend or the neighbor? Why can't you be like that boy in church or that girl in the mosque? Why can't you come first like the others? The people that came first, have they got two heads? Why are you different? Why are you know those words, don't you? Yes. And those were the things that in my case, I'm a stepmother. And so I used to compare myself to the late wife and the late mother of my stepchildren that I never met. And so I was suffering by choice, because suffering is a choice. Pain might be inevitable, or pain is inevitable, but suffering is a choice. And comparison is the thief of all joy. And so when you compare, you're suffering, and you have chosen to suffer, because you can decide not to compare. And then, rather than compare, be grateful. Ooh. Be grateful for your height. Be grateful for your smile. Be grateful for your color. Be grateful for the texture of your hair. Be grateful for your body. Be grateful for your achievements. Be grateful for where you are right now. Be grateful for the air you breathe. Be grateful that you are awake and your limbs are working. Your intestine is working. It's breaking down the foods as it should. Be grateful for the support system that you have. Be grateful for the child that you keep comparing yourself with. Be grateful, or two, be grateful for that child. Be grateful for other people that you see are doing well, because guess what? Because they can, you too can. You know, even God says when you're grateful for little, you get more. But when we compare, it takes our joy away. There's no way you can compare. Oh, we're in Nigeria, so I'm comparing that's why a lot of people are leaving Nigeria, because the UK is better or Canada is better. With relativity to what is the question? With relativity to what? So am I grateful for where I am right now? I am. I'm grateful for the seemingly little things, which is the air I breathe, which are the people around me, which is the fact that I'm healthy, I'm strong, I'm alive, I can move my limbs, I can talk. I went to the hospital today, and the person I went to see couldn't really speak because she had a mild stroke. And I was grateful. I still said to her, I'm grateful that you're even still able to move your hands, and you're able to see me and smile, and not to worry, you'll be able to speak again. Depositing, that sense of gratitude in her, telling her to relax. So what are you grateful for? Are you grateful for your body? Rather than saying my hips is not like, my waist is not like, my boobs are not like, I know that the Kardashians have brought all kinds of things and made us think that there's a perfect figure. And so many other people are going for that perfect figure. But the perfect figure with relativity to what and to who? Who created the perfect figure? Was it us? Now, of course, it's not like you can't do certain things about your weight if you're complaining about your weight or comparing yourself. You can do a wonderful diet that works for you. You can exercise. You can stay fit. You can do something about your weight. Don't say, oh, she said I should just be grateful. Yes, be grateful for where you are right now, knowing that you can work towards being exactly who you want to be. It's all in your hands. You have the absolute power in your hands to do exactly what you need to do, when you need to do it, and how you need to do it. It's all in your hands. So rather than being like me, I was a chief I could compare myself to all kinds of things. When I started my growth work, I was over 40. And I thought to myself, how can I be starting off as a coach at 40, or a therapist? Who's gonna listen to me? What am I going to say? It's going to take forever. Am I not too late? And then I realized that there's no time that is too late. And I'm grateful for the fact that I even found out now, and I can do something about getting better. And I also know that there's exponential increase, and that's what's going to happen to me. And so I'm grateful for the fact that I can ground myself to make sure that I'm learning, and I'm also blessing people with what I'm learning. And that's why I'm shooting these videos. Because I want to always use myself as an example and share my struggles. Because if you can hear yourself in my struggle, you can also hear yourself in my healing, and you can use it to your advantage. So I don't want to be like anybody. I want to be 100% Adeola. But maybe I can pick certain habits or attributes that I that I want to emulate, that I admire in other people. And so as I'm grateful for them, then I can ask them to teach me. So maybe I can pay for a course. Maybe I can, if I know them personally, maybe they're willing to share certain things with me. Maybe I'm willing to study and study everything about those people so that I can pick that part. But then bring it to me and make it me, that I can do 100%. So please, guys, if you want to stay happy, and if you want to stay healthy, and you want to stay wealthy, because when you're happy, you're in an attractive mode, you're open, and things will naturally come to you. But when you're unhappy, you're closed, and no good thing will come to you. And I don't want that for you. I want you to enjoy great things all the days of your life, and stay happy and stay connected. Stop comparing today and start being grateful. My name is Adeola. I've got something I'm putting together for you as well. I'm putting a gift together for you. I'm going to put it in my next video. So stay tuned. Watch this video, watch the next one, tell your friends to subscribe, tell your friends to like this video, and stay tuned for the next one, because I'm going to give you a beautiful gift that you would love and you would enjoy and you'll be grateful for. Have a wonderful day. I love you.